Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Tuesday. All of the major U.S. indices ended in the green, with the Dow up by the most, about 0.8%. The S&P 500 and the small cap Russell 2000 both ended by more than 0.5% higher, and the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 also ended up. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with energy rising more than 1%, along with a boost in crude oil. Utilities closely followed. To the downside, communication services was the sole sector to end in the red. Looking at some stocks on the move, NVDA ended the day up more than 1% after pulling back this morning. The CEO presented this morning at the company's GTC event, where it announced the Blackwell chip lineup. The new chips are successors to NVIDIA's Hopper chips, and they'll be more affordable in order to appeal to a wider set of customers. Over to Supermicro, which slipped nearly 9% today after announcing plans to sell 2 million common shares. Supermicro has seen intense gains this year, up more than 800% in the last 12 months, and it was added to the S&P 500 yesterday. And finally, Disney's proxy battle with activist investor Nelson Peltz is bitter and costly. And one of Disney's largest individual shareholders, George Lucas, threw his support behind Bob Iger today. The Star Wars creator says he has full faith and confidence in Iger's track record. The stock closed up more than 0.5%. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see mortgage apps and the FOMC decision. And then when it comes to earnings, pre-market, we'll hear from PDD Holdings and General Mills. Then post-market, we'll hear from Micron, KB Home, and Five Below. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.